Let's talk about metallic reduction. How metallic reduction takes place? We have reaction with hydrogen with nickel, platinum, palladium. So here metal act as a catalyst. Metal is acting as a catalyst, and let's say we have an aldehyde. So what happens on the metal surface? Hydrogen get absorbed, not absorb. It get absorbed. This is a surface phenomena. So and it attacks both on the same side. It attacks on the same side. So it forms RCHHOH, 1 degree alcohol. So that's how it forms 1 degree alcohol with the syn addition. It's actually syn addition. Second, we have aldehyde. RC double bond OH react with hydrogen palladium and will form RCH2OH. Ketone with ketone and form H2 with palladium. So again the reaction will be syn addition, hydrogen OH. It is 2 degree. After ketone we have acid halide. RC double bond OH, then we have hydrogen and hydrogen. So it will react with nickel and will form RC double bond OH plus HCl. We have acid halide, not aldehyde. Acid halide, it will react HCl, and on further reduction it will form RCH2OH, as we have seen previously. But when we use the Rosenmund catalyst, when we use Rosenmund catalyst, what is Rosenmund catalyst? The hydrogen with palladium with BaSO4. So it acts as a poison. BaSO4 acts as a poison. So it holds the reaction. We have acyl chloride H2PD BaSO4. It holds the reaction and forms aldehyde. And this is reaction is known as Rosenmund's reduction. Let's talk about its reaction with ester. RC double bond OR1 reacting with hydrogen nickel and will form RC double bond OH plus R1OH. It reacts with, it forms RCH2OH. Whenever we get aldehyde, hydrogen nickel forms alcohol. But first we need to get aldehyde. Let's say we have this compound H2 with nickel, it reacts, it will form this aldehyde and 1 alcohol. So by which it get aldehyde, by which it get alcohol, just add hydrogen on the both side. Just add a hydrogen. Give hydrogen to this bond, to this bond, hydrogen and hydrogen, give them each, and also hydrogen and hydrogen, give them each separately. Now let's talk about anhydride. Anhydride. R1 C double bond O C double bond O R2. It will react with hydrogen nickel. R1 CH2 OH plus R2 CH2 OH. It will form this. Next, talk about with reaction with carboxylic acid. On the reaction of carboxylic acid with hydrogen nickel, what it will form? It will form first RCH2OH. RCH2, but with hydrogen palladium, we need ruthenium carbon. The reaction proceed only with ruthenium carbon. Not generally the reaction will happen, and will only proceed with ruthenium carbon and will stuck to aldehyde only. Sorry, alcohol only. Now let's talk about cyanide. Reaction with cyanide. We have RC triple bond N reacting with H2Ni forms RCH double bond NH, which react to form RCH2 NH2. Let's talk with amide. RC double bond O NH2 with hydrogen nickel platinum, it will form RCH2 NH2. All the double bond will go. Let's talk about nitro. We have seen about all and every compound, each and every hydrogen palladium, it will form RNH2. Let's talk about with alkene or alkyne. RCH double bond CH2 react with H2 palladium, it will form RCH2 and CH3. And similarly we have an ketone H2PD, it will form RCH2 CH2 and R. Now let's put all the reaction on the same side. We have a functional group list here. We have its product. We have seen what the product we have with BH3 THF, and we have nickel hydrogen with nickel platinum or palladium. Now let's talk first with aldehyde. First we have RC double bond O H aldehyde. Second with ketone R1C double bond O R2. Third with acyl chloride. Fourth with we have anhydride, ester. Fifth with acid. So let's write its product. It will form alcohol RCH2OH. It will form RCOH HNR2. It will form RCH2OH. It will form RCH2OH plus this is R1, so R1OH, and this is formed RCH2OH. On we have know its product, but will BF3? Yes, it will reduce its, yes, but we have seen with Cl it doesn't reduce because chlorine pull its electron density from the double O part, so it doesn't react. It will react. It will react with hydrogen nickel platinum. Yes, once, yes. But with acid it generally doesn't react. It react with possible with ruthenium carbon. We have seen ruthenium carbon only. So it proceeds with ruthenium carbon only. Seventh, we have cyanide. RC triple bond N. Eighth, we have RC double bond O NH2. Ninth, we have RCH double bond CH2. 10th, RC triple bond CH. So the product is RCH2 NH2. RCH2 NH2. Here we have RCH3. Now we all know its product, but it form with BH3 THF. Yes, it does. We have seen already, and it also forms the product with H2 nickel platinum palladium. So this was all about the reduction involved in the during the formation of alcohol. On the reduction we have seen LiLH4 NaBH4, we have seen BH3 THF, and we have seen H2 nickel platinum and palladium. So where it does react and where it doesn't, we have already seen